Welcome back, everyone. I am your host, Byron Keith, and this is Excel Radio, where we are looking to excel the lives of our listeners through enhanced thinking and information. Now, today's topic is going to be the different types of the Form 1040. If you were tuned into the last episode, you understood that January through April 15th is going to be tax season. Again, you have until April 15th to file your individual tax returns. And what form are you filing? The Form 1040, which we'll talk about the different types today. The first type is going to be your 1040A. The 1040A is for taxpayers who would rather itemize their deductions over taking the standard deduction. Now understand that the 1040A is no longer available due to the 2018 tax reform, which doubled the standard deduction. So then it kind of creates a wash for anyone who's going to itemize. So the 1040A is for those who itemize, but it's no longer available because you cannot do it anymore. Then you also have the Form 1040 SE. This is going to be for your self-employed individuals, not for those of you who do something part-time or have anything on the side. This is going to be for your full-time self-employed individuals, meaning their self-employed income is the main source of income that they have. They file their taxes on a Form 1040 SE. Then the next form is going to be for those of you all who just want to file a basic return, which is the majority of you, and that's just going to go on a basic 1040. There are no letters behind it, it's just Form 1040. And then the last type of 1040 is going to be your 1040X. Now, in the last episode, I talked about what happens after April 15th. That's going to be the beginning of amendment season. You amend your return if you have received a corrected tax document, if you added a deduction that you should not have added, or if you didn't add a deduction that you should have added. You file these things on a 1040X. So that's going to conclude today's topic. I just wanted to go over the different types of the Form 1040 for you all. I hope you all got something out of this episode, and I look forward to the next. I am your host, Byron Keith, signing off.